Problems of Secondary Education. Present lecture is prepared by Dr. Shokeen Bilal, working as an assistant professor in education. Let me discuss various problems of secondary education. The first big problem is quality of teachers, shortage of well-trained and qualified teachers. Uneven distribution of skilled educators, with rural areas facing a greater deficit. Outdated curriculum not aligned with current industry needs and technological advancements. Emphasis on rote memorization rather than critical thinking and practical skills. Lack of infrastructure, inadequate facilities, including classrooms, libraries, and laboratories. Limited access to technology and digital resources. Dropout rates. High dropout rates due to socio-economic factors, especially among marginalized communities. Insufficient measures to retain students and ensure their completion of secondary education. 5. Gender disparities. Unequal access to education for girls, particularly in rural areas. Social and cultural factors leading to lower enrollment and attendance among girls. 6. Standardized testing pressure. Heavy emphasis on board exams leading to stress and anxiety among students. Narrow focus on exam preparation rather than holistic learning. 7. Lack of vocational training. Limited availability of vocational and skill-based education. Disconnect between education and employability, contributing to unemployment. 8. Language barrier. Discrepancies between the language of instruction and students' native languages. Hindrance to effective learning and comprehension. 9. Insufficient guidance counseling. Lack of career guidance and counseling services for students. Students often lack information about various career paths and higher education options. 10. Lack of inclusive education. Inadequate support for students with disabilities or special needs. Limited infrastructure and trained professionals to cater to diverse learning requirements. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.